I'm here for the 10 o'clock meeting with Mr. Davis.
One moment, please. Verifying your appointment.
This gentle, gel-like abrasive is the key ingredient in our premium toothpaste, ensuring effective cleaning. We're committed to quality.
We offer maximum consumer choice with a wide variety of promotional and family-sized bundles.
The heat tunnel application ensures secure bundling and tamper evidence, providing an attractive, shelf-ready retail display.
The key is the potassium nitrate, which provides nerve desensitization. This specialized formulation of
See, it says right here it builds good habits.
And it tastes yummy.
I really like the sparkle.
The sensitivity relief validation looks promising. The reduction is significant.
Agreed. We have the evidence for the marketing team.
We're very proud of the clinical results with these aligners.
How does the new drill model handle sterilization protocols?
It is fully autoclaved.
The stability results on the new compound look promising.
Yes, the thermal degradation is significantly reduced. We should move forward with the patent application. 3.
The health claims validation checks out on this one. Excellent. This meets the market access requirements for Q3.
I'll update the global compliance matrix.
From assessing aquatic toxicity to studying biodegradability, our sustainability research addresses.
These new tubes use significantly reduced plastic and are fully recyclable.
And the biodegradable options address the innovation challenge we faced.
If we look at the projections, the growth potential is significant.
It's been a great first week. Welcome aboard. We're glad to have you on the team.
Always consult the safety data sheet.
This tag ensures the machine is isolated and cannot be energized.
Rinse your eyes immediately. As you can see on the tablet, our documentation process is fully compliant with the new ISO standards.
Excellent. The continuous improvement graph confirms that. Careful with that stack, it's leaning. Okay, where does this pallet go?
Quality at the source is exceptional, Mr. Patel. Your team has clearly followed all the protocols.
Thank you, Ms. Lee. We appreciate the partnership approach.
This is a critical alert. Initiate the recall on batch 409 now.
Confirmed. Rerouting shipments and notifying compliance.
So the entire production line is exclusively for the halal products?
Yes, completely separate, ensuring full religious compliance from ingredients to packaging.
Here is the pharmacy supply shipment.
Thank you. We appreciate the quick delivery.
This campaign mock-up truly captures the brand-building strategy.
It's perfect. We are set for market leadership.
Our strategic development clearly shows our growth planning. This is how we are staying ahead and securing our position of market leadership.
The sustainability report clearly demonstrates our progress on environmental metrics and social responsibility.
On behalf of the whole team, thank you for your commitment to excellence. Well done.
By implementing these lean manufacturing principles, we've achieved continuous improvement across the line.
As you can see, the technology upgrades are central to our growth strategy. Our expansion into the emerging markets will leverage